welcome back everybody to the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is John.
And I'm Carolyn.
And what a beautiful day for a ride here in Central Oregon. Maybe this ride especially, our new side-by-side.
Yeah, get out there in the dirt with all these dirt bike riders around.
Yeah, well what people don't know is Carolyn and I, the Grand Shamrock Tour, have been traveling around America for the last 3.5 years in a RV with a couple BMW GS's, and we've seen so many parts of this great country.
Just an amazing adventure for us.
Right.
Just great.
But people ask how we didn't kill each other.
Well, you have to be organized.
Organized?
Yeah. I know where we keep the knives.
Oh, no. Well, listen, I will tell you this. We're here today to talk about what the fine people at Nelson-Rigg have done for us. They sent us this rear storage gear bag for us to do a kind of an evaluation and review of.
Yeah, and I didn't realize that we were going to need this much stuff just to go out in a side-by-side for the day.
Well, we're going to need a whole lot more than this stuff. But Carolyn, on first impressions, what do you like most about this bag?
Well, I do like the looks. I love the feel of the materials. It really is nice. This is kind of a carbon fiber look to it.
Water resistant.
Yeah, it's got UV protection and it has a lifetime warranty. So you can't beat that.
Well, yeah, and we've been using Nelson-Rigg gear now for at least 4 years, maybe more, but we've never had to use the warranty. So that's the other thing, is nothing's ever failed. So it's nice to have a warranty. It's even better if you don't have to use it.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna have John demonstrate how to put this in the back and how well it fits and how to get all this stuff organized in the bag.
Well, Carol, what I like about what you just said and the organization is it's got a 58-liter compartment.
Yeah.
It's got a barrier in there so that I can keep things like the belt, the compressor, the charger, everything
jump start
separate from my snack.
Let's do the snack later. And then after, you can have snack after you show us how to load this thing up.
Yeah, and hey, here's the other thing that's kind of cool. It has saddlebags on both the passenger and the driver.
Oh, I call driver.
Oh. Well, hey, let me get this stuff in there. Yeah, congratulations.
All right.
Well, the Nelson-Rigg rear cargo storage bag is really well made. I mean, as with most of Nelson-Rigg's products, they've done the thinking for us. And one of the things I really like about this is it does have the large 58-liter compartment. And if you look inside, all you have to do is separate it here, and then it attaches to the other compartment right there. Oh, here you go. Attaches like that. Now we've got two separate compartments, each one with their own access points, which I think is brilliant, because I really don't want this belt sitting next to maybe either clean clothes or my snack for sure. What you'll see when you look at all Nelson-Rigg stuff is they look at both the rig that they've designed it for and what kind of attachment points you have. They give you a series of separate ones, so you can even attach something to the front or to the top, and right here, and it's got two handles to grab, so you can take this into the hotel room at night or put it back and lock it up in your rig, which I think is another really great feature of this. So let's go ahead and see what we can put in here right now. I could promise you we're gonna have a whole lot more, but a belt, we got a backup battery, we got a compressor, we got tire patch kits, air gauges. Hasn't even started to touch what this is capable of carrying. And then something like this, some first aid kits. The fire extinguisher is actually going to go on the roll bar, but you know what? For right now, it's going in my Nelson-Rigg cargo bag. Well, there you go. This is the Nelson-Rigg rear cargo storage bag. And what I'm really impressed with is it's given me 6 great anchor points, which are going to fit our Polaris. So what I'm going to do is just anchor the two D-rings on the bottom using the straps provided. Loop it through. Let's get the old man in there. I'm going to position the bag up near the front of the cargo compartment and then attach it quickly with these straps. And I've been using these straps for a while. I really like them. They're on my hurricane bags. It makes it real easy to go on. They feed, actually, they just feed intuitively, which, you know, for the old man, sometimes it's nice if you don't have to think a second step. You can see, cinches right up, and then what Nelson-Rigg has done is they've given you this extra little elasticized strap, and you fold it up, set it on like that, and now it's not flapping around in the wind. We'll do the other side real quick. And what we're really trying to do here is make sure that we can stay organized, that we can have what we need, because we want to have these wonderful experiences. We want to be able to have everything with us that we need, and then have it protected when we're out there, because honestly, you spend a lot of money for this stuff, and so you want it to be something that holds up, which is what I love about Nelson-Riggs. My very first Defender cover that I bought still looks brand new. In fact, the other day it was snowing here and my motorcycle is completely bone dry. I went out and shook the snow off of it. So this is the driver and passenger compartments. It just makes it really kind of nice that they have a place to go. So your driver and your passenger each can just put their special items that they need, that they want to bring along with them. And like I said, super easy on these straps. All you do, pull them. When you give them a tug, they cinch right up, and then it pulls. You just fold it up and tuck it away.
Oh, hey, John. Looks like you've gotten organized.
Well, Carolyn, look at it. It's just fantastic.
Yeah, so make sure you go to Nelson-Rigg website, see what fits your rig. They really are a quality item. And make sure you use Shamrock. You'll get 25% off.
Shamrock?
Yes, Shamrock for 25% off.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
You use the code Shamrock and you get 25% off and free shipping on any item over $50?
Yes, you do, John. Hey, now, I think we're ready to go.
Pretty organized.
Pretty organized. Did you bring the water?
Oh, that sounds like a tease for another product Nelson-Rigg has.
And yes, it is. And on that note, travel safe.
And we'll see you out on the trail.